What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today what we're talking about is another SHIB video. Now this one's kind of a little bit different. It's more of like a video just calming you guys down because I get DMs every single day like, oh my gosh, what's happening to SHIB? Why is SHIB melting? Why is SHIB bleeding? Why are we going down? I got a simple explanation for that and we're going to talk about that in today's video. So if you do enjoy daily crypto videos and you love money, subscribe to the channel. I'll give all my plays here way before anyone else, and also check out my Discord down below. Basically give all my plays there super early before I can make a video. And if you struggle with trying to find the next play or you just don't know which coins to invest to, that's basically what we go over in my chat. It's discounted right now only for 2 more days, so check that out. And follow me on Instagram as well because I'm gonna be doing a giveaway on there. I think I'm gonna give away like $1,500 in SHIB, so I'm gonna give it away to someone that's following me. Yeah, let's get into today's video. So like I said, SHIB, Hawk, pretty much everything has been down for like the past, I'd say probably about like 4 days, besides ZOOT and Aerotine. If you guys aren't in that, you need to get in that. ZOOT, Aerotine, those are 2 amazing coins that's literally been holding my portfolio up for the past, like, I don't know, ever since it's been down. It's been crazy. So check that out in the description. I love that coin so much. And yeah, but pretty much everything else, like all the dog coins have been down. Now, what I predict happening, and you heard it here first, is that after we get past this, like this point where Bitcoin is literally just taking over and dragging everything down, I think we're gonna shoot up. I think everything, all the meme coins are gonna absolutely just tear. Literally all the dog coins, Kishu, SHIB, Hawk, and I think that we're gonna be well on our way. I think what's holding everything down right now is just all this speculation with China banning Bitcoin, and then you got investors trying to scare people and try to get them to sell their Bitcoin, which guys, I promise you, do not sell at the bottom. Please do not take a loss at this stuff. Like, wait till you're at least up and then sell. Obviously, it's not financial advice, but I think that we're gonna do very well. I think SHIB is gonna have the greatest comeback ever, and I think we'll be well on our way to a cent. If you guys are wondering what I mean when I say a cent, I think that we genuinely will hit a cent someday. Obviously, one of the biggest dog coins and has the biggest following, so we're definitely gonna see that. Guys, don't freak out, and yeah, I just wanna bring this video to kind of calm you guys down. I'm still in SHIB, I'm still in all my positions. ZOOT is the next big play for me, though. You guys have to check that video out I did yesterday. So yeah, if you like this video, subscribe to the channel if you love crypto and you want to make money. Because if you don't like money, you might as well just not subscribe to the channel because I'm giving out gems. And yeah, check out my Discord down below if you have any struggles with finding tokens and you just want a community to be around, and just basically have me point you in the right direction and tell you which ones to buy, which ones I'm buying. And follow me on Instagram as well because yeah, I'm doing a giveaway, might as well. And I'll see you guys in my next video.